I want you to imagine how loneliness would sound like if it had a voice. Think about how you'd feel in darkness and ambiguity. This is First Man. We call music in a film by a specific term, which is the score. And as you can hear in the score, something feels quite gloomy and slow. But these emotions are built through something quite unique: the theremin. The theremin is an instrument bred by the use of two electromagnetic fields, meaning it's an instrument that can be played without even touching it. The theremin provides an eerie yet hopeful tone to films and music alike. Many sci-fi and fantasy films like The Machinist and Batman Forever use the instrument to give the audience a similar experience, which makes the reasoning behind why they use it in First Man so much clearer. It's because it feels so lonely, so depressingly lonely and cold. That's what interlocks the score and story so tightly. Neil Armstrong, the introvert, focusing solely on his work, and when the thoughts of his deceased daughter pass him, the feeling of abandonment dawns. Yet, I don't think the film is trying to tell us how to deal with pain, but to understand the pain and torture of self-loneliness, meaning the idea that we intentionally isolate ourselves from others to keep us from being hurt again. First Man is a journey of understanding sacrifice and the man behind the name, while being so different to Chazelle and Hurwitz's previous projects. First Man is brilliant.